So the rear actuator on the hatch on my 2013 Hyundai Elantra failed, of course, with the hatch closed. So I couldn't get into the rear hatch, and I searched the internet. I found nothing useful to get in there. A lot of people were just suggesting that you go to the back panel. You have your emergency release right here. Stick your key in there, slide it over, and boom, your hatch will pop. Well, that's all and good if it's not completely failed. And mine had. So I couldn't get into the hatch, and I was scratching my head how to get in there. Like I said, nothing useful on the internet. So I thought I'd make this video and help out the next guy that's going to be having this trouble. So right here, and this is covered with a black plastic cover. In order to see the mechanism inside, I smashed that away with a screwdriver and a hammer. Just stuck it in there. As you can see, I did some prying too, and I wowed this out a bit, but that's all right. I'm replacing that whole thing, so feel free to damage it. So here's the bits of the black plastic cover that was in the way. Looks like that, smooth black plastic. Once you get rid of that, we're gonna lock this. Put that in the lock position. Mind my camera work here as I'm reaching for tools. You can see this right here, this little lever. Pop that over, and this will open. Now, I wish I had a third hand here, but maybe I'll put the, oh no, I can do it one-handed. Yeah, boom, there. And that hatch lifted right up. Now, I'll pull the 3 screws, and I'll disconnect the, I wonder if you can see that in there, where is it? Right here, electrical connection right there. There it is. Pop that old one out, replace with the new, and